a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges
Please note that the
indicated
device
thunderstorms
discovery warning
producing heavy
message.
rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing with several reports of roads closed due to flash flooding as well as flash flooding of homes and other buildings in some areas. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
Please
Source,
note that the device
radar and
discovery
automated
warning
gauges.
message.
The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marshalltown, Newton, State Center, Baxter, Iowa Speedway, Colo, Melbourne, Veering, Albion, Collins, Rhodes, Liscombe, Laurel, Haverhill, Lambs Grove, Clemens, Ferguson, Green Mountain, Street Anthony, and Marshalltown Municipal Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. For the latest river and stream observations and forecasts, refer to weather.gov/Des Moines/water. At 9:43 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing with several reports of roads closed due
Please
to flash
note that the
flooding
device
as well as
discovery
flash
warning
flooding of
message.
homes and other buildings in some areas. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Polk, northern Marion, northwestern Nebraska, and northeastern Warren counties is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. for central Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 a.m. for western Tallahassee, southeastern Story, Marshall, and Jasper
Please note that the
counties.
device discovery warning
At
message.
9:56 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rhodes to Newton to near Lake Red Rock, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, Newton, Grinnell, Colfax, Monroe, Prairie City, State Center, Baxter, Iowa Speedway, Rock Creek Lake, Colo, Melbourne, Sully, Kellogg, Gilman, Albion, Collins, Linville, Rhodes, and Mingo. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers
Please note that the
153
device
and
discovery warning
185.
message.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties: Marshall, Tallahassee, and Story. At 9:43 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy
Please
rain
note
across
that
the
the
warned
device
area.
discovery warning message.
Between 5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing with several reports of roads closed due to flash flooding as well as flash flooding of homes and other buildings in some areas. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding
Please
include
note that the device
Marshalltown,
discovery
Newton,
warning message.
Grinnell, Toledo, Montezuma, Tama, Traer, Brooklyn, Dysart, Mesa, Meskwaki Casino, Rock Creek Lake, Iowa Speedway, Gladbrook, La Grande, Victor, Kellogg, Darwin, Gilman, Holiday Lake, and Malcolm. Turn around. Don't
Please
drown
note
when
that the device
encountering
discovery
flooded roads.
warning message.
Most flood zones for the latest river and stream
Please note
observations
that the
and
device
forecasts
discovery
refer to
warning message.
weather.gov/Des Moines/water. This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 57 at Des Moines, Iowa, transmitting
Please
on
note that the device discovery
162.55
warning
megahertz.
message.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. The severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Polk, northern Marion, northwestern Nebraska, and northeastern Warren counties is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area.
Please
Therefore,
note that the
the
device
warning has
discovery
been
warning
canceled.
message.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. for central Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 a.m. for western Kalashi, southeastern Story, Marshall, and Jasper counties. At 9:56 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a
Please
line
note that the
extending from
device
Rhodes
discovery
to
warning
near Lake Red
message.
Rock, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar
Please note
indicated
that the device
threat.
discovery warning
The following
message.
impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshalltown, Newton, Grinnell, Colfax, Monroe, Prairie City, State Center, Baxter, Iowa Speedway, Rock Creek Lake, Colo, Melbourne, Sully, Kellogg, Gilman, Albion, Collins, Linville, Rhodes, and Mingo. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 153 and 185. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a
Please
tornado,
note that the
go at
device
once
discovery
into the
warning
basement to a
message.
small central room and a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marshall, Poweshiek,
Please
and
note
Story.
that the device discovery warning
The
message.
National Weather Service in Des Moines has extended the flash flood warning for northwestern Adair County in southwestern Iowa, northern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, Audubon County in west central Iowa, Guthrie County in west central Iowa, until 11:30 a.m. At 9:26 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding continues across portions of the warned area with emergency management reporting water over some roads. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar
Please
and
note that the
automated
device
gauges.
discovery warning
The
message.
following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Audubon, Guthrie Center, Cedar Rapids, Sonora, Lake Panorama, Exira, Adair, Althorn, Bayard, Casey, Kim Belton, Bagley, Yale, Brigham,
Please
Gray,
note that the
Audubon
device
County
discovery
Airport,
warning
and
message.
Springbrook State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of driving on flooded roads. For the latest weather and stream observations and forecasts, refer to weather.gov/Des Moines/water. At 9:40 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing with several reports of roads closed due to flash flooding, as well as flash flooding of homes and other buildings in some areas. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding, source, radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash
Please note
flooding
that the
include
device discovery warning
Marshalltown,
message.
Newton, State Center, Baxter, Iowa Speedway, Colo, Rhodes, Liscum, Laurel, Haverhill, Lambs Grove, Clemens, Ferguson, Green Mountain, Anthony and Marshalltown Municipal Airports. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. For the latest river and stream observations and forecast, refer to weather.gov/Des Moines/water. At 9:43 a.m., Doppler radar indicates thunderstorms. Heavy rain
Please
across
note
the
that the
warned
device
area.
discovery warning message.
Between 5 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are
Please
possible
note
in
that
the
the device
warned area.
discovery warning message.
Flash flooding is ongoing with several reports of roads closed due to flash flooding as well as flash flooding of homes and other
Please note
buildings
that the
in some
device
areas.
discovery warning message.
Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks, streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and
Please note that the
underpasses.
device discovery warning
Some
message.
locations that will experience flash flooding include Marshalltown, Newton, Grinnell, Toledo, Montezuma, Tama, Traer, Brooklyn, Dysart, Mesclackie, Sophia, Rock Creek Lake, Iowa Speedway, Glenbrook, Glen, Baxter, Kellogg, Norwood, Gilman, Holiday
Please
Lake, and
note that the
Malcolm.
device discovery warning
Turn around.
message.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. For the latest river and stream observations and forecasts, refer to
Please
weather.gov/Des
note that the device
Moines/water.
discovery warning message.
This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 57 at Des Moines, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 megahertz. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lambs Grove, Gilman, Haverhill, Ferguson, Prairie City Crone Airport, and Laurel. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 154 and 164. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper and Marshall. The tornado warning for North Central Warren County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for Central Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for Polk, Story, southeastern Boone, north central Clark, and Warren counties. At 4:51 p.m., severe. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for northeastern Story, northwestern Marshall, and southeastern Hardin counties. At 5:06 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located over St. Anthony, or 13 miles northeast of Nevada, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. Impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Deadly winds without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and dangerous zones is possible. The tornado will be near Clemens and St. Anthony and Hardin counties. Surrounding other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Boone, Toledo, Glenbrook, Mesclackie, Liscum, and for now. Expected damage includes death and injury. The tornado has been confirmed by trained witness spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible.